So change to tool 303, which is your probe, offset setting, tool length set, and down to line 3. We'll do the X first. We're using a 2mm ruby stylus. So bring it across just until the light comes on. You can see where we've got it just below the chamfer. Okay, so we're going to go down to line 3X, 3, 2, 2. Oh, sorry. We've got to put the X in first, so X 322.0. If we were using the 3mm ruby, it would be X 323.0. And if it was the 4mm, it would be X 324.0. So enter to confirm it, and we see the absolute here has changed to 322. If it hasn't changed here, something's gone wrong, usually because you haven't pressed the X. So now we'll do the Z, 3Z. So we're just doing it off the flat face of the chuck. Okay. So that is literally just touching on the face of the chuck here. And that is just going to be Z 0.0, Z 0.0, 3Z. Press enter, and then it changes here, Z 0.0. So now we're going to swap to tool 1. So we're going to go back, MDI, run, MDI input, T0101, shut the door, click OK, and then click cycle start here. When you click cycle start, it'll say change to tool 101, and then you're ready to go. Now we'll go back into offset setting, back into tool length. So we're doing tool 1 now, so we'll go up to tool 1X. Okay, so that's our tool 1. Okay, so if we MPG Z, so bring the Z in. So I'll just do the Z first on the face. It doesn't matter, you can do the Z or the X first, but we'll just do the Z first. Bring it in nice and close there. Okay, and then bringing it in just until it holds the paper for us. We can just feel a very light scratching on the paper. You can see exactly where we've got it. Anywhere across this face, just not on the chamfer.
Yeah, right.
So we go tool 1 over to tool 1Z, and then we're just going to type in, really important, we put the Z first, Z 0.0. Confirm with X, and then our absolute should change to Z 0.0. Okay, and then now we'll do the same with the X. We're going to bring it over to here on the flat side. Okay, so we've got it on the X, just grabbing that bit of paper again, this tiny little scratch. Now on this one, we're using the 0.4 radius diamond tip, so this is the really sharp diamond tips. So this one, so that's 0.4. So that's going to determine our number on the screen here. which is going to be on our x-axis. So we type in x321.6 because we're using the 0.4. If you're using a different one, we go up in 0.4 increments. So that's 321.6 in x1, and then we just press enter. 321.6. So that's it, done. Okay, and we'll back it off, and then we'll just do the final tool. If we're using this, which is the one that comes from the factory, this has got the 1.5 radius insert built in at the end. So we're going to use 323 for that. So same again, we're going to go back, press MDI to put it into MDI mode, run, MDI input, change it over to tool 202, shut the door, okay, door shut, press OK, not enter, press OK, and then cycle start. As soon as we press cycle start, see it change to tool 202, back, confirm here, tool 202, back into offset setting, tool length set, down to number 2, and then I guess I'll do the X first because it's in line. So make sure you press MPG first. Some of the machines you have to press Z here and move it on this, but on yours it's off the hand wheel. So MPG, and then bring it forward. So we've got it on the X. Again, we've gone past this little chamfer that's on the edge and we've brought it down along this flat face on the X profile. We're on number 2, X, so we're going to type in 323 point. Oh. X first, oops, X 323.0. If you don't put the X, it won't work. And then just enter, changes the absolute to 323. So you can see where I've done that. Just pull that off, it's just around the corner there. So now we'll do the Z, same thing, bring it back. Bring it over, back to Z, and bring it forward till it scratches the paper. So we're scratching that paper again. So we're just going to go over to Z, and we're just going to type in, same as the other ones, Z 0.0. And we're going to press enter, and then that changes. And that's it, done. That's a pro of the wheel.